my name, my email address, $3. I like this video so much. Thanks, United Braves. $3 per comment. Yes, that's possible and so easy to do. Just like this, you can earn $3 per comment. You can make money online with no money and investment. Just like this, it's so easy and available worldwide. Please keep watching. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. Today I'm going to share with you some nice websites that you can make money online with no investment, no money needed, and you can start doing this today. After watching this video, you can make $3 per comment. It's so easy. You don't need any skills or experience. And please keep watching this video till end, because I'm gonna show you some platforms, different platforms that together you can use them to automate the process of making money for you. The first website is fplus.com. fplus.com. F is like affiliate, and this is a nice website. This is maybe probably you haven't heard of this website before. This is a nice website, and you can find a lot of tasks here for different things, for different work. And you see here right now we can type, for example, survey, and we can see different offers. It's a kind of CPA. CPA stands for cost per action. That's why, for example, here is survey. I already searched survey, and here are some offers for me. I can make this amount of money for each person who submits their email address or their names. And surveys in this website are like this. There is not a long way. It's not a long form or a lot of questions. No, not like that one. Just they need to add their email address and their name. That's all what they need to do for survey submits. That's all. And you can choose anyone that you like. And please be careful about this. Updated a day ago, updated 5 months ago. Please choose some offers that are so new. For example, updated 4 hours ago. They are so better than, for example, this one. So you can click on each of them that you like. Please keep watching this video till end, because I'm going to show you another website and another strategy. Together you can make this amount of money. I already chose, for example, this one. You can preview this landing page of this survey and then choose this one. And you also, to make money online with this landing page, you need to join network. For example, if you click here, you will come over here. First, you need to register in this website. You need to enter your information here, and after that they will give you an affiliate link, and then you should share this affiliate link with other people, with your friends. And I'm going to show you a strategy how to do this. There is a website, the name is Linktree, but the URL is different. linktr.ee. The URL is like this, linktr.ee. That's all. And you can start it for free, and you don't need to pay any money or to buy a plan. It depends on you, but you can start free. You don't need any money to invest in this website. After clicking here, it will take us over here. You need to enter your email, username, password, and again repeat your password and register, and that's all. And after that, here we need to select a plan, and you can continue with free. You don't need to spend any money. You can continue with free. As you see, get unlimited links on your link tree. That's all. You don't need to pay, and you don't need to buy and this or upgrade your plan. So let's go. This is the dashboard of this website, Linktree, and if you click add new link, it will be a link for you here. You can add your links here, and here, for example, this is my, imagine this is this page, the link of this page is my link, but you you should get your affiliate link from here, not from here in this website. This website just gives you the offer. You need to get your affiliate link after registering in this website that I showed you already. For different offers, maybe the website is completely different. That's why you need to be careful, and please click here to see that which website you need to register and get your affiliate link. For example, here is my affiliate link. I need to grab the link and then paste it here. And here you need to write a title. It should be a nice title that attracts users and other people to click on your offer and enter their information. That's why you get paid. If they enter their information and submit the form, you will get the amount of money that they already showed you and it's offered to you. Here I just write test as an example, and that's all. Just I need to copy the link. This is the link of my landing page in this website, and it's like this. It is my landing page, and I can use this landing page and share it with my friends or other people. You can go to twitter.com, and after going to twitter.com, you can search some keywords just like this. I already searched I need money. You can write how to make money online, making money online, earning money online, some keywords exactly just like this, and then you can find a lot of people that they need money and you can help them. You can share this link with them, and also they will get gift cards, different gift cards or different bonuses or something like this, and you can also help them to make money online the way that you're making money. And that's all. Also you can use other platforms just like twitter.com, like Facebook, like Quora, or other platforms like Instagram. Just search the exact keywords, just I need money, I want to make money, and then share your link, and then you will get money just like this. I mean, so free, and you don't need to do anything else, and you can earn $3 per comment or more. It depends on the offer that you will choose for this way. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any question, please leave a comment below this video. I will answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Please click to watch more videos. Please click subscribe. Click subscribe. I'm waiting for you.